On this episode of Discover Pittcon, we're chatting with Expo Chairman Eli Absey. I am here with our Pittcon 2018 Expo Chairman, Eli Absey, and he's going to tell us what you can expect to see on the Expo floor this year. So Eli, what can people see? What are they going to see?
Well, Kim, thank you for having me. Well, first of all, you get to see leading companies come in to exhibit their latest and greatest laboratory equipment, software, and services. Also on the Expo floor, we're having the large park theme again, which we're going to be calling it Alligator Alley.
So Eli, where can we go to see who's exhibiting?
Well, feel free to go into our Pittcon website at www.pittcon.org, and because especially go into it frequently because every day there's adding more and more exhibitors to the list. And also, if there's any exhibitors or any companies who would like to exhibit at Pittcon, feel free to go into our application, exhibitors application space, and I recommend doing that ASAP.
Very soon. Great. Well, thank you so much for being here.
Well, thank you for having me. Thank you.